Seeing a cloth coming to life, like right from the fabric to the cutting to, seeing the finished product, like it is everything. Eva Mujungu Kasasa. So many things. A creative generally. I love playing around with things, making things and spaces beautiful. I birthed a company called CivSource. CivSource is a Latin word for garment. So what CivSource is really about hope. My mom passed when I was 12, but shortly after that she was a nurse by profession, but then she had taken a tailoring course. She started falling sick and she never got to practice. And I decided, you know what, why not? I really need to get so serious about this and just continue with whatever she started so many years ago. And yeah, so to me it's just not clothes, I want people to have an experience really. And we launched recently with a collection that we dubbed Hope, and it's there on social media. So it's to so many people it's just clothes, but to me it is hard work, persistence, and dreaming and wanting things to be as though they are in my mind. There are so many fashion designers in the country or in the whole world, and everyone is telling you, so you want to do fashion design? There are so many people around, so how are you going to be them? There's so many gifted, talented people. The thing of thinking that you are not good enough, yeah. And to my surprise, the Hope collection has come with so much positive feedback, and I don't take that for granted. Yeah. I saw a prominent lawyer wearing a mask that I did, and I was so happy. It really brought me so much joy. Right now I'm working on a dress for a young girl that is turning 3 years, and we did the fitting and she was so excited. She didn't want to remove that dress. So all I can say is that start. Everyone starts by starting, and everyone is unique. We are all created in different, special, unique ways.